Right, I'm ready to do the final bit of concreting. So I've got my laser level out, as you can see here, and you can see the line on the wall. Yeah, so I'm just going to mark all the levels all the way around, and then I'm going to prepare the reinforcing. Okay, so speak to you later. Good morning. It's a chilly 13 degrees this morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I have decided I'm going to start doing some of this concreting, even though I am still waiting for the part for my cement mixer. I decided I'm going to make a start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it in half. So I will do one half first, and I'll do the other half. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my laser level and mark the levels so I can get it level all the way around. Okay. You can see that's where it's going to go. You can see, so I'll just mark that first before I do anything so else. I've marked all my levels where I want the concrete to finish. So now I'm going to cut a piece of wood and separate it. So I've got this straight edge, so I'm going to put the piece of wood so my straight edge will cover that area. So let's just measure this and then cut a piece of this wood. Got my wood wedged, it's nice and tight, got some support, stop it from moving. Just here and here, it's nice and level. You can see it's level there. So next step is to start mixing. That comes the hard bit. So I've got my cement here, I've got my sand in here, and I've got my stone over here. So let's crack on. My special tool you can't find in England, but it's so useful. Okay, so this is what I use. This is my cement mixer. So what I do, I mix the water, stone and cement first, because just using this, it's easier to do the stone with water and cement first, and then I add the sand. So that's the next step, adding the sand. That's the first mix done. I think in order to do this I'll probably need about 3 mixes. So this is why I bought a cement mixer. So much easier with a cement mixer. It only took me about 10 minutes to do that, but it's physically quite hard work, especially because I'm an old man. Right, let's get it in the hole. Well, that didn't go as far as I was expecting, so I'm probably going to need at least three more mixes like that. Right. Well, that's 2 mixes. I'm hoping I've got enough stone and sand to finish it. I'll just get this little bit of sand here. Got this stone here. So hopefully just enough to finish it. One more mix. Right, it's the last mix. All the sand's gone, so let's just hope this is enough to finish it. I think it should be. Right, let's crack on. Well, I got it done. It's a bit stonier than I would normally do. I would normally put a little bit more sand in, but I run out of sand, so I've had to make do with what I got. But it's another section done. So I'm gonna have a break now, have a cup of coffee, let this go off a bit, and then I'll finish it off. Not bad for 3 hours work. Just got this last little section to do. I might do it tomorrow, or I might wait till I get my cement mixer. I'll see how I feel in the morning. Right, we're going to go and get some lunch now, and we've got lots of rice to move. We've got all this rice to load up and take away, so we'll have a busy afternoon.